Hello. Welcome back to my channel. A little bit different today. I was very kindly sent a parcel by a company called YourCreativeStudio. This is an example of one of their subscription boxes that they sent me to have a look at and to show you guys. So I haven't opened this. I have no idea what's in there. I did head over to their website and checked out what kind of things they have, and they have just gorgeous stamps and stickers, washi tapes, all that sort of thing. And they have their subscription boxes each month, which work out around about, it looked like sort of £32 to £35 per box. And I've been quite intrigued by subscription boxes, arty subscription boxes, for a while. I've never tried one, so I'd be very interested to find out what you get in them, how much you get in them, that sort of thing. So I'm quite excited, and I'm going to open this up with you. So there we are. It's YourCreativeStudio, lovely packaging. I've got a little thank you card in there, and then this gorgeous paper, which we'll try and save as well. Okay. Ooh, and it looks like you get quite a few things in here. Look at this. So let's have a quick, we'll pull them out. That says washi tape, that one. We've got journal tabs. Oh, I like those. Oh, I'll be using those in my journal. I'll have a close look in a minute. We'll just have a quick sneaky look first. That looks like some kind of ephemera. Now this was they said this was their November vintage box that they were sending me. Black and white collection, plant small bean series. Ooh, okay. Oh, we've got a little tiny suitcase. Ooh, cute. Right. This is stickers, I think. We'll find out. Then a stamp. Another stamp. It's beautifully packaged in all these little envelopes and things. This looks like stickers. We've got sticky notes. Beautiful blues. It's like little, looks as paper ephemera. Get lots in here. It's more paper, I think. And then we've got, let me just get that out. These last few, but we'll go through. I'll put the box to one side. So you get a hell of a lot, I'd say, for the cost. And you get that kind of nice surprise of you not knowing what's going to be in here, which I quite like, that little nice surprise. So let's start with the little journal tabs. So they're just cute little tabs. Obviously you fold them over, attach them. They've got little labels on there. Cute. Nice quality. Nice thick card. I will definitely be using them in my journals. Let's see. I'm intrigued by the Plant Small Bean series. What's in here? Black and white. Oh, see, like little plant. Oh, is that in focus? Sorry. Cute little plants with the names. I bet my husband could tell you all the Latin names because he works with trees. Okay, cute. Oh, you've got, these look like transfers at the front. Cute. Nice. Like it. Put the plastic to one side. Let's see what's in this one. It's cute. Looks like a little postcard. Yeah. Sort of vintage ephemera looking. I like that one. Can you see that? That's nice. Different stamps and things. They're cute. Love it. I used to I used to work for the university, and we used to get, before online, before people used to apply online, people used to send their applications in, all the students, and I used to collect all the stamps from around the world. So that reminds me of that. Right, let's have a look at the washi tape that we've got here. I do love my washi. What I tend to do with washi tape is I fall in love with them, I buy them, and then I hoard them. I never use them. So, ooh, we've got blues. This is predominantly, we've got lots of blues. I think this is kind of, looks like a florally blue. Yeah, that's really pretty. Yeah, I really like that. Oops. That'll go in my stash. I'll try and use it. I might keep these little cute envelopes too. Let's see what our little mini suitcase is. Look at that. It's got sort of Paris images on them. It's just a cute little box. How cool. That'd be quite nice to sort of take a few little bits and bobs travelling when I'm going off journaling. I'll maybe put a few washies and things in there to take with me in my stash. Okay, we've got a cling stamp. Always good. What have we got? Ooh, fancy. It's another floral one. Sorry, the camera keeps going in and out of focus. That's pretty, isn't it? Very nice. Very nice. Stamps, always good. We've got another cling stamp here. Let's see which one this one is. It's another floral. Is that one? I may actually stamp them in a minute. Or should we stamp them now? Let me just grab a scrap piece of paper and some ink. I've just got brown ink because that's what I've grabbed. Ooh, I don't know if that's going to show up on camera. Come on, camera. I don't know why it's being funny today. Okay, not the best stamped. That's my fault though, not the stamp itself. But they're cute. I think my ink's a little dry. Nice. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Still going. We've got these, which are just as paper ephemera. There's a little loose sheets. Nice pretty blues and greens. Definitely use those in some way. Pretty, get a nice little stash. We've got sticky notes. I'll not get those out, you can just see those. They're nice, aren't they? You could put like an image or something in that gap, couldn't you? Or words or something. Just a few little stickers there. Sticking with the theme, these blue florals. And I think this is going to be similar to the paper ephemera, but just on a larger scale. Come on, out you come. Yes, look, they're just bigger scrap paper. Very pretty. And then we've got this, which I don't know if it's tape or just paper. Oh no, it says stickers. It's the sticker set. So they peel. Long, thin stickers in different florals, and you've got some wider ones. and some rectangular ones there. Nice. And lastly, I have this. Not sure what this is. It says sticker brick. Ooh. Ooh, look, they're just stickers, but they are cool. They are just little round dots in different colours. I got red, blue and green, and they're just little stickers. Oh, they'll be really good for journal pages. I can imagine putting, yeah, again, images and words and all sorts of, incorporating them into pages. They are stickers, aren't they? I think they're stickers. It says sticker brick. Fiddly fiddly. There we go. Yes, there they are. Oh, and I get quite a good bundle of those. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, for what you would pay, so like I say, when I looked, it was around sort of 32 to 35. That's pounds. I don't know what that is in dollars, I'm afraid. So yeah, I reckon that's good little stash there. I'm happy with that. I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and I will see you again very soon. Take care. Bye.